How to join. So you want to join Liftshare? Brilliant! Signing up to Liftshare is simple. Visit liftshare.com or your organisation's own Liftshare community URL. In the top right-hand corner of the page, you will see a Join button. Click here. Or click on Get Started. You will need to populate your first and last name, email address and confirm, a password, and select your gender. By clicking Join, you are signing up to our terms and conditions, which you can review here. If you're signing up to your organisation scheme, you may be asked to input your work email address or enter a community password. The community password can be obtained by contacting your Liftshare scheme manager. Once you click Join, you're all set up. Please be sure to check your inbox for an email to verify your account.